Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Hiseeu cameras keep going offline, Wi-Fi signal, app and power troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check the camera power supply. First, make sure the camera is plugged into a working power outlet and verify that the power adapter is securely connected. Now inspect the power cable for damage or loose connections, and if available, try a different compatible power adapter. Fix 2. Improve the Wi-Fi signal. Move the camera closer to your Wi-Fi router and remove any obstacles such as walls, metal objects, or large appliances. And ensure the camera receives a strong Wi-Fi signal. Now install a Wi-Fi extender if the signal is weak and reconnect the camera and test the connection. Fix 3. Remove and re-add the camera. Open the HiSeeu app and delete the offline camera from your device list. Now reset the camera and add the camera again using the setup process and connect it to Wi-Fi and verify it stays online. Fix 4. Factory reset the camera. Locate the reset button on the camera and press and hold the button 5 to 10 seconds. Now wait for the camera to restart, then set up the camera again in the HiCU app and check whether the offline issue is resolved or not. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.